This is Gursai. We are from MALD Government Degree College. We are presenting the project on behalf of Department of English. Our topic is be a creator than a seeker. Here, creator defines one who can create their own job. Nowadays, most of the youth, after completion of their graduation, they are searching for jobs. They are not trying to what the talent they have for jobs. Like for 10 posts, there are thousands of people are applying. What we want to convey is be a creator, not to be a seeker. And my topic is on YouTuber. I think no day will start without watching a video or listening music or anything else we want on YouTube. Have you ever thought these people thought become a YouTuber? They know their talents and they have YouTube has a good platform to shine.
Did you say what is startup? Startup is not to earn for not to work for in a company for $1 million. It's just a way to how to develop our country in some aspects. A profession requires a set of skills to become successful in that field. In this competitive world, there is one of the way to prove ourselves as a creator, that is content writing. Content writing is is just only writing, editing and drafting a piece of web content. It doesn't require any graduation and any degrees. It only requires communication skills and well vocabulary.
Guys, have you ever went to a movie by seeing its review? Yes. We buy a lot of product through online platform. Have you ever bought a product by seeing its review? Yes. Have you ever thought that the review writers will also earn a lot of money? No. Review writing is the commentary writing tense which offers our personal opinion. Our own personal knowledge will make our conclusion count. To demonstrate how much you know about the topic, you should support your points with a valid reason focusing on strength and weakness. You can write film reviews, product reviews and technologies related reviews. Here are the most famous review writers who make millions in every year. They are Anuradha Goyal, famous in book reviews. She can earn $5 to $10 for an hour. Another is Anupama Chopra, excelled in film reviews. At last, I want to conclude that instead of reading reviews of others, try to write your own reviews. Or else, if you have any other talent, then make your own platform to explore your skills.
I am showing one of the way to be a creator, that is document writing. Did you face the problem while structuring strategy project? Yes. Did you read the contract and agreement papers? Yes. Who will write the government orders and proceedings? For all of the above questions, one and only answer is document writing. He is referred as a technical writer. Do you have interest in writing? Yes. Do you have good command over language? Yes. If your answer is yes, then grab your opportunity to start a self-employment on this field. Nowadays, document writers increased rapidly. Document writers must possess communication skills and...
Do you travel? Yes. Are you interested to be updated all the time? Do you want to share your thoughts with the whole world? Yes, here's an opportunity waiting for you to observe into the text world, that is blogging. Blogging or blog writing refers to writing, photography and other media started as a platform for individual to write diary style entries. Blog owner can set their blog for private use or for public asset. It is fact that blogger can make millions every year and had to work for less than 10 hours a week. Isn't that interesting? Amit Agarwal, he is one of the top Indian blogger and earns up to $60,000 per month, and he runs technology related blog known as Labnol. And why don't you become one of them? And is to understand your audience and seeking to help them. So stop wishing and start blogging. Thank you.
Have you read the book Alchemist? No. Actually, it was in Portuguese. After translated in English, it also become world famous. Do you have command over more than one language? Yes. Are you bilingual speaker? Yes. Have you familiar with more than one culture? Yes. Then a great opportunity is waiting for you. You can create self-employment in the field of translation. Translator and interpreters convert information from one language to another language. They act as communication mediator by translating spoken language or text so that people who speak different language can understand the same meaning. Translator and interpreters are responsible for decoding language in movies, schools, journals, legal documents, healthcare settings, and many more. Skills required to be a translator are excellent communication, analysis, linguistic. Let me tell you an example, an ideal role model of a translator or interpreter. Gurdeep Kaur Chawla, she is an interpreter of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. You know what? Her regular pay is $50,586. Oh my God. So finally I am saying that translator is best way to create self-employment. So be a creator than a seeker.